Alright, so this is the cerebral cortex. What the cerebral cortex is responsible for is thought and action and processing. It's located in the frontal, parental, and occipital lobes. Or it includes the frontal, parental, occipital, and temporal lobes. Okay, next is the amygdala, which is this yellow thing right here. It's located in the temporal lobe, and it's responsible for emotions and motivations, like survival stuff. So like all of your instincts that keep you alive. Next is the hypothalamus, which is this right here, the black on the edge of the purple. That one's it's below the thalamus, and it's responsible for hormone production, and it helps to stimulate processes. Next is the hippocampus, which is this stuff right here. That is located in the temporal lobe, and it's responsible for memory, emotions, and motivations.
The green little bulb thing on the end is the pituitary gland. It's an endocrine gland, and it is responsible for releasing and secreting hormones that are also known as factors. Next is the corpus callosum, and that's the yellow. The corpus callosum is responsible for holding both hemispheres of the brain together. The medulla, which is the reddish pink thing along the brainstem, is responsible for involuntary movements such as heart rate. The thalamus is the purple back here, and that is responsible for relaying info to the cerebral cortex.
The pons is the blue, that's right here, and it's the network of nerve directly above the medulla, and it controls and gives the intensity of breathing, sleep cycles, and it connects the upper and lower parts of the brain and relays messages from the cerebral cortex. The reticular formation is the yellow right here. That's the network of nerve pathways connecting spinal cords. And there's ascending and descending. Ascending is sleep cycles, and descending is posture and autonomic nervous system functioning. And then the basal ganglia, that's not shown here. That's the group of nuclei in the brain located beneath the cerebral cortex, processes the information on movement and determines the best possible response in a given situation. And then the cerebellum, which is the green up here, that's located where the spinal cord meets the brain, and it's made of the two hemispheres. It receives information from sensory systems in the spinal cord and other parts that regulate motor movement, coordinates voluntary movement, like your posture, balance, speech, and your motor behaviors.